Welcome to There is Value in Differences, in the unique set of experiences, perspectives, skills, and ideas that each person brings to the workplace. Today, we're going to talk about embracing and valuing these differences so that every person in the organization has the ability to make a positive contribution to organizational goals and/or business results. My name is Jennifer Mitchell Earley. I help individuals and teams achieve organizational success, and this is Leadership Matters. Training. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the like button. You can also feel free to share this video so that others can benefit from this valuable information. Wait. You'll also want to hit the subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. As always, I encourage you to leave your comments below. Before we get started, please download your free copy of the Unlocking the Power of Differences assessment to use during this training module. I'll link it down below in the description. Now we're ready to get started. Valuing differences is something we should aspire to both personally and professionally. From a business perspective, when you value each person's contributions, you increase the number and variety of ideas, talents, and perspectives that can be applied to any task. This helps ensure more effective results, whether you're solving a problem, making a decision, or completing an important task. According to Forbes, executives and managers understand that cultural diversity in the workplace is a valuable commodity. Through education and a greater grasp of cultural competence, which involves increasing awareness of and respect for the interpersonal styles, beliefs, languages, and customs of those from cultures other than our own, many corporations are evolving into multinational melting pots. Diverse employees can bring together their different talents, experiences, and various skill sets to come up with creative and innovative solutions, whereas another group made up of people with similar backgrounds and skill sets may decide to solve a dilemma in the same way they always have. An increase in innovation and creativity among a culturally diverse group can create a positive climate for the benefit of the group and the organization. There is evidence that creating a diverse workforce can contribute to increased retention and productivity, can contribute to an organization's responsiveness to an increasingly diverse world of customers, improve relations with the surrounding community, increase the organization's ability to cope with change, and expand the creativity of the organization overall. Diversity is about including different ideas, backgrounds, and opinions in the mix when making key decisions, developing and generating new ideas, and solutions to our toughest challenges. It is about encouraging a variety of thought, embracing new ideas, and creating a culture that fosters innovation by valuing these differences. Inclusion is a state of being valued, respected, and supported. It's about focusing on the needs of every individual and ensuring the right conditions are in place for each person to achieve his or her full potential. The first step to ascertaining and assessing the value of individual differences is to learn more about the qualities and characteristics that make each person unique by identifying their styles, abilities, and motivations. We'll use the acronym SAM to refer to styles, abilities, and motivations during this training module. SAM is a tool to help you identify and discuss important differences in how people tend to approach their work and working relationships, their knowledge, expertise, skills, and capabilities, and the things that tend to motivate their work. All SAMs are valuable. They are a leader's key to success to nurture and leverage each person's unique styles, abilities, and motivations. Don't forget to include your own SAMs. Understanding your own styles, abilities, and motivations help you identify the unique talents and contributions that you bring to the workplace. provides insight into the qualities and characteristics you value in yourself, and builds awareness of how your styles, abilities, and motivations can influence what you value in others. Pause the video to complete the Unlocking the Power of Differences assessment now. Understanding the SAMs of people that you work with enables you to work more effectively with them because you know how they prefer to work, what they do well, and what they like to do. And it helps you to utilize their styles, abilities, and motivations to maximize their contributions to the team and/or the task at hand. Exploring differences through SAMs enables you to understand how to nurture those differences, showing individuals that you value their unique styles, abilities, and motivations. Exploring and nurturing differences enables you to leverage the power of your team's SAMs so you can maximize their contributions to important tasks, decisions, projects, and assignments. Great leaders know that their own success relies on the success of the people they lead, and that one of their chief responsibilities is to foster their team members' skills, abilities, interests, and efforts. To bring out the best in people, cultivate others' talents and capabilities. Assign work in line with people's skills and interests, motivating them to do more. Inspire performance and morale by creating a positive environment. Trust the strengths of others, thus building others' confidence in their own abilities. And unite others towards a common goal. Being a leader is all about accomplishing results through others. You can't really do that if you don't understand what motivates them. How can you ensure that you're exploring, nurturing, and leveraging SAMs? Consider this. 1. How would your team or partners benefit from discussing individuals' styles, abilities, or motivations, and their impact on working relationships? What will you do to make this happen? 2. Do the people I work with know that I value their talents, contributions, styles, and motivations? What can I do to reinforce this with a particular person or group? 3. What tasks or projects am I working on now or will be working on in the future that would provide opportunities to utilize diverse talents, thinking, or perspectives? What styles, abilities, or motivations would support this work? In this video, we talked about the value in individuals' differences and the unique set of experiences, perspectives, skills, and ideas that each person brings to the workplace, otherwise known as SAMs. Exploring differences through SAMs enables you to understand how to nurture those differences, showing individuals that you value their unique styles, abilities, and motivations. Exploring and nurturing differences enables you to tap into the power of your team's SAMs so you can maximize their contributions to important tasks, decisions, projects, and assignments. Finally, we took the Unlocking the Power of Differences self-assessment. I am confident in your ability to successfully apply what you've learned today to boost your effectiveness as a leader. Let me know by leaving a comment below how you plan to apply SAMs. Did you learn something new from today's video? If so, please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video. Need customized training for your team? Contact us today at jmearleyconsulting.com for a free consultation. The information is in the description.